We just stopped here in Broken Bow, Nebraska, looking at some data and seeing what kind of convective opportunities are coming up later on today. Time is about 2:30 Central Time.
On May 16th, we were awarded with a long-track Supercell, which spawned 2 tornadoes across Nebraska.
Real quick, they want to cover themselves, I guess. Or somebody reported something.
But that's okay. It's moving into a better environment, so.
Go back up 183.
Yeah, the little enhanced V notch.
Oh, you got it on your neck?
Yeah.
Actually, there is a car coming down the road, I think.
Right there. The updraft.
You guys usually get to it at the last minute.
Holy cow, look at that scud going up into there.
I know, look at it all.
It's like forming before your eyes.
They're holding together.
Tornado siren.
This town's...
Scott, we can either hit that to go northwest.
Go ahead, let me see. Let me see. Cool. Let's go, we're going.
That's eerie. There's no wind here at all.
We're in major convergence here.
There's no air here. Everything is going straight up right here.
We're in the Bearskin.
Tornado!
Tornado.
Watch in front of you, Chris.
Got it.
Tornado's coming down.
Tornado on the ground.
Chris, where's your camera?
Okay, wipers off.
Got it.
Think that touchdown?
We don't know. Oh, I got it.
I think it was pretty close.
Scott, what do you think? Yes, I think it did. I have it on video.
Major rotation.
New funnel in front of us. Gotta get some audio. Tornado sirens.
Tornado siren.
This town's... Congrats, guys. Saw your first tornado. It was brief, but it's not over. Supercell.
That is cool, though, sound of that. Keep this window down or right over that blue tank.
Look at that. It's coming
Stopping
down.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Stop right here, Chris. Right.
Cyclone, but it's comes and goes. You have more. All right, well, let's keep after it.
That's just the forward shelf cloud right there.
RFD. The RFD's coming.
Yeah, it was funny because the ruck, the 15 ruck had no free